Welcome to another unboxing from the Perth Mint. Today we have something exciting for fans of the much-loved television series SpongeBob SquarePants. Let's dive into unboxing this awesome collectible. Inside the vibrant yellow packaging is the ultra-fun display case that mimics the iconic orange pineapple home of SpongeBob, complete with blue windows and a chimney. Enjoy more playfulness by attaching the green leaves on top, bringing this delightful keepsake to life. Unveil the coin by gently twisting the black casing, lifting the protective cover to reveal the 2-ounce 99.99% pure silver coin featuring a gleeful image of SpongeBob in beautiful circular pattern. The standout element is the dazzling 24-karat gilding around SpongeBob's head, arms, tie and pants, as well as on the coin's edge. The coin design also includes the familiar SpongeBob SquarePants logo and pretty flower-shaped cloud motifs. The coin bears the Jody Clark effigy of His Majesty King Charles III. Its weight, purity, and monetary denomination. This officially licensed coin comes with a numbered certificate of authenticity and includes easy-to-follow instructions to assemble the pineapple display case. With only 2,000 coins available, secure your SpongeBob SquarePants 2024 2-ounce silver-proof gilded coin at the Perth Mint shop or online at perthmint.com.